Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best battery-powered mini chainsaws on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Taiatok Chainsaw 6-inch mini electric chainsaw cordless battery-powered. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Taiatok 6-inch mini electric chainsaw is a compact and efficient tool designed for quick and easy cutting tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cordless chainsaw offers excellent mobility, allowing you to work freely without being restricted by cords. With its 6-inch blade, it is ideal for trimming branches, cutting small logs, and general garden maintenance. The chainsaw features an automatic oiling system to keep the chain lubricated for smooth performance and longer life. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the lightweight construction reduces user fatigue. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or need a tool for light outdoor tasks, the Taiatok mini chainsaw offers great value and convenience. Number 2 is Cordless Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Electric Power Bombs. The Bomb's 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw is a lightweight and powerful tool designed for effortless cutting and pruning tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this electric chainsaw offers great portability and freedom to work in various outdoor spaces without being limited by cords. With its 6-inch bar, it is perfect for trimming branches, small logs, and general garden maintenance. The chainsaw's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the easy-to-use features make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, its efficient battery provides a long runtime, making it a reliable tool for small to medium cutting jobs. Whether for home improvement or yard care, the Bomb's mini chainsaw is a practical and convenient solution. And to finish, the first position goes to the mini chainsaw 6-inch cordless Zeeksaw. The Zeeksaw 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw is a compact and efficient tool designed for easy pruning and light cutting tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this mini chainsaw offers cordless convenience, allowing you to work freely without being restricted by cables. Its 6-inch blade is ideal for trimming branches, small logs, and general garden maintenance. The chainsaw features a lightweight design, making it easy to handle and reducing fatigue during extended use. With its simple operation and user-friendly features, the Zeeksaw mini chainsaw is a great choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking for a reliable and portable cutting tool. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 battery-powered mini chainsaws that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.